Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. It's been over 3 weeks for my last video, and I'm very sorry about that. I have a lot to tell you guys, and there's a lot that has changed. So our last video was the draggy times, and that wasn't very successful just because the times were not verified, and I felt like the car should be a lot better than what it really was. So after that, I ended up reaching out to a friend of mine that we've driven around with before, and his car used to be on par with mine, and for some reason after all these modifications, it still was. And that was very concerning for me. Just because after dumping all this money into it, it's not what I expected it to be. I reached out to WiseTech the next day, and there were more disappointments there. Just because, like I said, the amount of money that was spent on the car, and then reaching out to them, I did not get the support that I was expecting. The customer service just wasn't there, and yeah. I'm trying to see if they can work with me to get this issue resolved. I know you guys are wondering why I don't have the car anymore, and that's what I'm going to tell you. I went on a trip to Sacramento, about 120 miles away, and we were coming back home that yesterday evening, and I heard this crazy knock, or it was like a hit, and I didn't think nothing of it. You know, I'm going 80 miles an hour, and all of a sudden I get the tire pressure light on, and I can see that my rear tire is just dropping in pressure significantly. So that's when I realized, hey, that was a punctured tire. I didn't see anything on the road, but must have been some kind of debris. So I quickly pull over before I lose all the air out of the tire, and I get out and I see this. So as you guys can see, bad luck just is following me lately. The car is not performing. I have a punctured tire with some body damage. And the car is 120 miles away because I had my cousin come pick the car up, and it was closer for him to take it back to his house than mine. And I didn't want to force him to be up half the night, so I told him that it was fine to just take it to his place. So I have to go back out there sometime within the next few days and get those tires swapped out and hopefully come back home. But the issue there is I just looked up the tire size because they're Pirellis, so the same tire is not available. It's on back order. So, yeah. So it's okay. Staying positive. I know we're going to get the car back up and running. We're going to get the tire situation figured out. I have a friend that's going to help me data log, and hopefully we find what's wrong with the car and we get it to perform to the level that it needs to. And yeah, I'm not going to let this bring us down. I know we had some video plans of having the car, or the wife, test drive the car. Since when we just got the car, she did that, and she thought it was really quick, and I think if we get it to do what it's supposed to. It's going to be a very interesting video and a pretty cool experience for her because she loves this stuff. Maybe not as much as I do, but she definitely enjoys it. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.